Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. This is Danish Ansari and welcome to my YouTube channel English Talk. Friends, are you in one of them who have grammar knowledge but don't know where to start speaking English? So this video is going to be for you. So let's talk about that. Is grammar important? Should we learn grammar more and more? Of course friends, grammar is really very important part of English and we must learn grammar more and more. But in addition to learning, we have to even speak. Friends, do you know what is the mistake we learners usually make? We think, first of all, we have to learn much grammar, then we will start speaking. And that's why today we are not able to speak English at all. Friends, if you are learning, but you are not using your learning in English, in speaking, so what's the use of learning? Until you use your learning in speaking, you will not be able to speak English at all. So try to start speaking with learning. In starting, while speaking English, you will get nervous and you will also make mistakes. But it is very common. Nobody is perfect in starting. Everybody perfects after making so many mistakes. So from today you have to speak. No worry if you make mistake. Just try to practice and practice, because practice makes a man perfect. To improve your English or to use your grammar in speaking, you can. Tip number 1. Yes, watch and learn. Friends, when you watch a movie or series, web series in English audio, so you will hear real English. You will repeat and revise what they have said. Try to use subtitle in your target language. In your target language, I mean to say in English. Don't try to use subtitle in your own language. Own language, I mean to say in Hindi. And check the words. Tip number 2. Yes, don't translate sentences in your head. Friends, sometimes what happen, we think we have grammar knowledge, so we can translate the sentences. Of course, friends, we can translate the sentences, but when we try to translate sentences in our mind, so it takes so much time. If we are taking much time to speak our sentences, so the person whom we are communicating with feel bored, and we don't have to make anybody feel bored. So to overcome this, we can do one thing. We can start talking to ourselves first of all, then we can do it with others. It will help us not to translate sentences in our head. Last but not least, tip number 3. Of course friends, practice. Practice as much as you can, because practice is the key of success. If you are learning anything, so practice is everything in that. Friends, I hope you enjoyed my video. If yes, like, comments and subscribe my channel. It's enough for today. See you in next video.